What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. In today's video, I want to address a question that I get asked often, and that is, how do I make YouTube my full-time income? So today's video, I want to explain how I personally made YouTube my full-time income. Now, with that said, I just want to say I have multiple full-time businesses that make a full-time income for myself, but what I consider a full-time income for me personally is it needs to pay for all my bills, okay? And that equals right about $6,500 per month. That pays for, the houses, the cars, insurance, luxuries, different things like that. So for me, it's $6,500 to me is a full-time income, okay? So whatever your full-time income is, that's up to you. You can always decide. It could be $1,500, $2,000, $10,000, $100,000, whatever it is, you decide. But in today's video, first off, I want to address how I did it, okay? Now, everybody knows I have the Homemade Entrepreneur channel. You're watching the video right here, so you see it. Most people don't know I have other channels, okay? I have fitness channels, I have cooking channels, I have tech channels, I have construction channels, have health-related, lifestyle, travel, other businesses, other online business type channels. I have a bunch of different ones. Most people don't know that because I do not put them out there. I've never publicly shared here on my channel what they are, and I do that for a reason. Number one, I don't want the competition. I want to go out there and make a bunch of money, help other people, and at the same time, living the best lifestyle that I can possibly live. But with that said, how do I do it? I create all these different channels, right? Well, I don't create them all in one day. I didn't create all, currently I have 34 or 35 channels. Sometimes I will sell some off, sometimes I'll get new ones, okay? But currently I have 34 or 35 different channels. I'm gonna show you three, okay? Again, I'm not gonna show you the exact channel, but I'm gonna show you kind of the numbers that I have, what I made. I'm gonna show you three channels I started on January 1st, 2019. So before I jump into the computer and show you the different numbers, I want to explain something. I created these three different channels on the exact same day, but what I did was my team and I, we actually created multiple videos. I think we did 5 for each channel, or 5 or somewhere right around there. And we published them on every other day for the next 10 days. And it was very effective and it worked. But what we did was we would promote different products in every single video. And I try to show people that it's possible. This is one of the reasons why I put together my course on affiliate marketing on YouTube. And so I'll put a link down in the description box below. If you want to go get it, it will be $20. It's $47 off using the link down below, and it's only going to work in today's video. So what I want to explain is you can make money by promoting other people's products. On every single one of these channels that I'm going to show you in just a second, I'm not making any money from YouTube ads. I haven't been approved for YouTube ads on any of these channels yet because I don't have over 1,000 subscribers. Every single one of these channels has less than 1,000 subscribers, but they have a high watch time and they get a lot of views, which is incredible, which is great, okay? But you gotta understand, all this money is coming from selling products, selling services or courses, and it's all done through affiliate marketing. That is why I teach people how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. It's because it's something that I personally do and absolutely love it. All right, so now that you understand what it is I'm doing and how I do it, okay, because the Homemade Entrepreneur channel, the one you're watching right now, okay, I make a decent amount of money. I make a few $1,000s a month just from YouTube ads. And I make additional income from affiliate links and stuff like that, which is great. But this is not my only channel, okay? So that's what I want you to understand, is I have multiple channels. That is how I made YouTube my full-time income. The second thing is, why do I use YouTube? The number one reason why I use YouTube is because people love video for their content. Think about it. How many times do you go online and search for, maybe you want to make a scrambled egg? How do you do it? Maybe you want to make an omelet. How do you do it? Maybe you want to replace the starter or the starter in your car. How do you do it? Maybe you need to replace the the window mechanism, the window thing that rolls it up and down. How do you do it? All these things are answered inside videos. People show you exactly how to do it. Okay? That's the number one reason why I personally love YouTube and why I continue to create additional content for YouTube. Because people consume video like it's like going out of style. They love it. Okay? So that's why I keep doing videos. The second reason why I do videos over on YouTube is because they allow us to put links inside the description or inside the comments. So because of that, I can put a link to a product, which would be an affiliate link. I could put that link inside my description, and if anybody ever clicks on it and buys that product, I would make some money. It won't be $1 million, and probably not even be $100 per sale, but I'm gonna make $10 here, 15 there, 20 here, 4 here, 6 here, and it just keeps adding up over the course of the month. Okay, so now that you understand that, let me show you what my numbers are for the past few months from 3 of these channels. All right, so like I said, let me explain the numbers, okay? And now these numbers may be, shockingly low, they may be high, but you never know, okay? Here's what I want to explain. This channel right here, this travel, lifestyle, every single one of these channels gets 2 videos a week. It gets a Tuesday and Thursday post, okay, or publishing, okay? There's this channel, this one, and this one down here. Every single one gets 2 per week. Now, in the first month, okay, again, I started every single one January 1st, 2019. What you need to understand about every single one of these channels is they all start out low, okay? You have to put in the content, you have to put in the work, and then it will slowly grow. The more videos you publish, the more money you could potentially make, the more traffic you get, obviously, it does help out. So, let me explain. In January, I may only made $63.82 on this travel, slash lifestyle style type channel. Okay, here I pretty much publish about different things to do in different cities, states, countries, and talk. And again, you never see my face. Sometimes you hear my voice. Usually it's just text playing over music and just different slides. Okay, very simple. Again, my team and I put those together and we publish them. February, $89.51. March, $154.95. April, $507.38. And May, $560.55. Now, from March to April, we had a huge jump. But you'd think that it would have jumped up from April to May. That's not the case, okay? That's just not what happens. I believe the reason April was so good is because that is the month where most people have spring break. So that's probably what contributed to that type of a jump in income. And May, well, it still went up, but not as much as we like. Okay? The tech/reviews channel, again, these all stick to a Tuesday, Thursday type schedule. Okay? So every Tuesday and Thursday, there's a new video that goes live. So January income was $41.09. Not bad. Okay? Tech is very difficult to get into. The only reason why I decided to get into this is because there's a few products somebody asked me to review, and because of that, I need to come up with a new channel instead of just publishing it on one of my other ones. Okay, so that's exactly what I did. So second month, February, $75.08, March, $62.46. So it actually went down in March. I'm not really sure why, but we kept publishing, kept doing just fine. April was $197.01, May $404.35. Now, what you need to understand is for the first few months, okay, it was costing me money so January, February, March, it was costing me money, okay? In order to keep a channel running, it cost me about $100 per month just to have my VA actually create the content for it. And that's just 2 videos per week, okay? So that's 8 per month, okay? It cost me $100. Now, it's not a lot of money, but the videos are fairly short, and I have to put in some of my time to make them a little bit longer, make them a little bit better, okay? Or add my voice over the top, okay? So that's what you gotta understand. This one, channel 3, month 1, we were already profitable. Month 1, we were profitable. And that's what I'm looking for is I need to make at least $100 or more per month, and these are for these very simple videos, or else I'm actually in the negative. Okay, I'm in the red. So this one right here, the cooking and recipes channel, again, it's very simple. And the reason why I don't show you guys the exact channels is because I'm not looking for the additional competition. You can create channels on cooking and recipes and all that, and it's a great way to do it, and you'll go for it. But figure out your niche, okay? So mine, again, I'm not gonna tell you the exact niche, general, broad, it's cooking and recipes, but it's a very specific type of, cooking or recipes. So because of that, I think it's doing really well. So stick to a specific type, all right? So maybe it's just Korean food, or maybe it's Chinese food, or soul food. It could be barbecue. Stick to a specific type, because that's going to help you grow your channel a little bit faster, right? So right here, January, we made 151.86, February 212.24, March 408.31, April 723.47, and May $1,377.19. Here's what I want you to understand about these different channels, okay? Is that the videos that we create are based on different things, different topics, different products we use. For example, this travel and lifestyle one, I created a video on a product that you use to pretty much carry your passport. Now, there's a bunch of different products out there, but that was one of the things we created. That was one of the ways, just in April alone, we did, I think, about $140, $150 in commissions from that one product that we were promoting over on Amazon. Okay. Now, one of the things that we will be doing on all these channels, especially this travel one and the cooking one, is we will be coming up with a private label product we can promote and sell on that exact channel, which is going to be incredible. But that actually won't happen until probably August to September, because we want to get it ready to really launch it and get it going for Q4, which is an incredible time to sell any product online, right? So that's just what I want to show you, is YouTube is an incredible opportunity. Most people don't understand how YouTube really works. Most people don't understand how much money you can make on YouTube, but anywhere you can post a link to a potential product, which is going to make you a sale, is going to be incredible, especially if it's one of the biggest search engines in the world. YouTube is number 2 behind Google, which YouTube is owned by Google. So who do you think is going to help promote YouTube videos? It's going to be Google. So because of that, I'm getting more and more views on a lot of my channels. Okay. But the last thing I just want to say before I go and give you some tips on how to do exactly what it is that I'm doing, okay, is that you need to stick to what you like. Come up with an idea. Come up with your hobbies, a list of hobbies, list of passions, a list of things you like to do, and create content around that. Because I guarantee you, your passion will show through. Hopefully, you see, when I create videos every single day or every few days, whenever it is, hopefully you see the passion that I have to teach you guys. This is a possibility. You don't have to work a 9-to-5 job. You can work for yourself and make decent amounts of income. Okay? It's not that hard. You got to put in the work, and it's time consuming. But if you put in that work, I guarantee you, most people would kill for an income of almost $1,400. So let's say $1,800, $2,300. Most people would kill for an income of $2,300 that they can make by posting videos online, right? I'm pretty sure you would. If you would, and you would love to have $2,300 every single month by posting videos online, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. All right, guys, it is tip time. Time to give you some tips. Number 1 tip when creating any type of channel on YouTube is to create a channel around your passion. This is something that I've been struggling with because I create multiple channels and I don't have a passion for every single thing, but have a team of people that help me build the content for those channels. So that's where it works in my favor. For you just starting out, maybe you have one channel or you don't have a channel at all yet, create a channel based around your passion. It could be on basketball, it could be on crocheting something, on sewing, on gardening, on cooking, on construction, on making little doodads with your hands, whatever it is. make that your channel. Okay, create a channel around that, because it doesn't matter what it is you create a channel on, there is something you can promote. For example, let's say you're going to have a channel on gardening. You can promote different gardening tools that you use. You can promote different books. You can promote different courses on how to make the perfect garden. There's so many options for you, all right? So that's my number one tip. Create a channel based around your passion. Tip number 2 is to find products, services, courses that your audience will enjoy and benefit from, okay? That's the key. There's 2 parts to it. They need to enjoy it and benefit from it. If one of those 2 things is off, they enjoy it, but they have no benefits out of it, or they benefit from it, but they didn't enjoy watching it or consuming the content, they're not gonna like it, okay? Find products, services, or courses that your audience enjoys and benefits from. If you can do this time and time again, you will make more money as an affiliate marketer. Tip number 3 is very simple, okay? What I want you to do is over-deliver, but do not oversell, okay? So many people try to oversell different products. And I did this when I first started out because I had no clue what I was doing. And I would be like, you need to buy this, you need to buy this, go click the link, down there, over here, wherever. And I would try to sell them on every single video, every single comment, every single description. I would sell them on this one product. And I'd say, you need it, you have to have it. But that wasn't the case. You never need anything, you never have to have it. It was just a benefit, it would help you out. So, over deliver on your content, but do not oversell inside your content. If you do this, I guarantee you're gonna have a higher watch time, you're gonna get more subscribers, you're gonna get more views, and again, you're gonna make more money. And tip number 4, which is again very simple, is have a set schedule. Whether it's you are gonna post every day, maybe 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, you're gonna post once a week, once a month, whatever it is. Stick to a set schedule so that you know, okay, today is Wednesday, it means I'm posting a video. Today is Saturday, oh, it means I have the day off. Whatever it means for you, that is what will work, because your audience is gonna get used to, okay, every day at 9 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna have a video from them. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon, I'm gonna have a video for them. Okay? That's what you need to understand, and that is what's gonna help you grow your channel. But like I said, if you need help growing your channel, that is exactly what I created my affiliate marketing on YouTube course for. Again, I'll put a link down in the description box below. You can go pick it up. It's 20 bucks, all right? So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It just shows me you want to see more videos on how I've created my YouTube business, okay? It's a great business. Absolutely love YouTube. Okay, it's incredible. That's why I tell so many people, go and create a channel, start making that money. But again, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.